Not all products are created equally. Some drive revenue, pull in new customers, and have rock bottom return rates, while others quietly underperform. The bestsellers report gives you a clear but sortable view of exactly which is which, so you can stop guessing and start making decisions backed by data. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to get the most out of the bestsellers report. At a glance, you'll notice the obvious. This view shows you which items sold the most over a specified period of time. But there's so much more to the bestsellers report than simply identifying your top selling products. With powerful filtering and sorting capabilities, you can actually dig much deeper into your product performance. First, choose how granular you want your product data to be. Products, variants, categories, or brand. From there, you can rank your products based on the metrics that matter most to your business. Items sold, which is pure sales volume. Revenue, either gross or net. Return rate, based on either items sold or gross merchandise value. Or new customers, which products are driving the most new customers to your brand. At the top left, you can also choose to view your best or worst performers. After all, understanding what's underperforming can be just as valuable as celebrating your top sellers. From there, layer in filters to zero in on exactly what you want to analyze. Filter by customer segment, category, brand, or any date range you choose. You can also toggle between tile and list views, or you can use the search bar to instantly find a specific product. One thing to keep in mind is if you use GWPs, freebies, or any product not intended for direct sale, go over to Company Settings, Report Settings, and Product Exclusions. Add those product titles there, and they'll be hidden from your report so they don't skew your data. You can also click into any product and you can unlock a development view, a trend line of that product's key metrics over time. Was it always a top seller? Is it a recent breakout? Are there dips you need to investigate or clear seasonal trends for certain products? You can also add up to 3 products total to compare the performance side by side. This makes it super easy to identify whether products are truly driving incremental growth or simply shifting demand from one product to another. Now let's take a look at 3 use cases actually worth acting on. For the first strategy, we'll uncover which products are most effective at turning new customers into your highest value customers. Start by selecting the new customers KPI, then apply the top customer segment. This reveals not only which products attract the most first-time buyers, but which ones bring in customers with the greatest long-term potential. These are the products to prioritize in paid acquisition campaigns, welcome flows, and other first purchase touchpoints. They are already proving they can turn new shoppers into those valuable customers, so put them at the center of your acquisition strategy. Next, we can see how first purchase behavior changes depending on where a customer was actually acquired. So you can keep the new customers KPI selected, but filter the report by customer segment tied to a specific acquisition channel. In this case, let's say it's Meta. Then go ahead and click on the Compare With feature, and we can pull in a second segment on the right, such as customers acquired through Google. Now, side by side, we can see which products are most often driving the first purchase for Meta customers versus your Google customers. This helps you identify the strongest entry products for each channel, so you can tailor your ad creative, messaging, landing pages, and product strategy around what is already resonating with each audience. And of course, you can also optimize your sales strategy and new collection launches. You can use the bestsellers report to inform those upcoming promotions and product launches by preparing for, let's say, a major annual sale. Rather than guessing which products deserve the most visibility, look back at what performed best during your previous sale. Simply select the relevant date range, then see which products or categories drove the most sales. From there, you can prioritize the products that have already proven they resonate with customers during similar promotional periods. The same approach can help inform new collection launches, giving you a data-backed view of which products, categories, or brands are most likely to capture attention and drive sales. The bestsellers report turns product performance into clear, actionable intelligence. You can use it to guide smarter merchandising, sharper campaigns, and more confident buying decisions, because your strongest product strategy should be built on what the data is already telling you.